Hi fans. Hi, I'm Ava. This is Ava Toy Show. Guys, have you seen these before? I haven't, have you? No? Oh, what? Oh, you don't know? Shall we just open them and see what they're like? Yeah, let's open them. Oh, which one? I don't know if it's MOJ MOJ or MOJ MOJ. Let's open this one first because it's my favourite colour. I wonder what these are. I love you fans. Don't forget to subscribe. Whoa! What's this? Oh, there's more. I didn't expect that. That's actually quite cool. There's a whole bag in here. I think this is the checklist. Look at the checklist. Here's the checklist. I love the colours that they've got here. It's really kawaii. Look at all these you can collect. They're so cute.
I love the design. It's like a claw grabber machine.
Yeah, it is, Dad. It's like a claw machine. It is a claw machine. 95 to collect. That's a lot. Shall we see what we've got in there? Yeah. Oh, this looks like a panda. Whoa. Ooh, I didn't expect that. Feel that, Dad. Feel that, fan.
Oh, wow.
It's actually really nice.
That so looks like food, doesn't it? I could eat it.
Yeah, it so looks like food.
It feels like food too. It feels like sort of like a sweet, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels like sweet when you take your chewing gum out. It feels like that.
Yeah.
But
really
more
soft.
softer. More softer.
It's really soft, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I love the design. I love how the colours match in. Look at the face design. It's so cute. Should we see the purple one? Yeah, okay. Ooh. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
Raced across the floor. You gotta be careful when you open these.
Yeah, you gotta be real careful because you might get them dirty. Is it dirty? These are a bit strange, guys. What is this one?
Sniff it.
Ew, I don't really like the smell. It's like gas from a car. Smell it, Dad.
It smells like latex, like rubber, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like latex kind of plastic.
It looks like a unicorn on the side. So it looks like it's got wings. What do you think of these two? Shall we see what else we got? Yeah, okay. Let's have the pink one this time. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Let's look at the blue one first. Ooh, it's nice and see-through. It's like translucent.
They smell of latex. They smell like gloves, like
Yeah.
plastic gloves.
They smell like plastic gloves.
Yeah, look, if I hold it up to the light, look, the light shines through. If you see
Wow,
that.
that's so cool.
What do you think of this then? This looks like a
That's the same one as this one.
this is like an elephant or something. Hold up.
Yeah, it looks like an elephant. It looks like an elephant. Because it's got a little trunk there. I wonder what this one is. It's got two different colours. It looks like a bunny in the package. Shall we see what animal it is? Yeah, okay, let's open it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks like a, I don't know.
Panda or something.
Yeah, it looks like a panda.
They feel like skin, don't they? They're very
Yeah, they feel like skinful.
they're very fleshy sort of feeling.
Yeah, I like how they feel the skin. Squish, 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 squish.
They do smell a lot though, guys.
Yeah, they smell.
Oh yeah, that one smells a bit petrol-y, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one smells a bit like paint. If you ever had a model plane or something and you painted it,
Yeah.
that's what that smells a bit like. It smells like the paint on a model plane. That smells a bit industrial, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. So see what the last one is? Yeah. Okay. I can't wait. I like how it's packaged like this. Let's open it. Woo! Ooh, we got a pink one here and a grey one. Ooh. Wow! It's got another see-through one. It's translucent. Oh, it's like this one. The first one we got? Looks like a panda. And it's like this one.
They're very squishy, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very squishy.
How squishy that is.
Squish, squish. I'm squishing all of them. Squish, 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 squish.
They're a bit like jelly, aren't they? They're like a kind
Yeah,
of
they're
jelly.
like jelly. Jelly, jelly. You can't rip them, can you?
Oh, I don't know. Should we try and rip one?
No! Don't Daddy. Not that one, because I like that one.
Alright, which one do you want to rip?
That one. Guys, we're going to try and rip this one.
Oh, it doesn't rip, does it?
No. It's really well made. It won't rip.
Oh, I don't know. It feels like it ripped a bit then, didn't it?
Yeah. It looks like it ripped on the face.
Yeah, I think we might have ripped it slightly.
Oh, it looks so cute. I love all of them. Don't kill it, Daddy.
Kind of broke in the middle a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, they're very hard to rip. You could probably rip that if you tried a bit more. They're like fidget toys. You
Because
could
we
just...
don't want to break them.
Yeah.
Because what if the company watched us?
They'd be like, oh, we're not sending them any toys, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very stretchy, very, very stretchy. And they don't really rip. They rip a bit, but
Yeah.
you can just keep playing with them for ages. That one's got kind of sticky now. Actually, since I've been playing with it, it's got stickier. The more you touch it, the stickier it gets. I think maybe if you warm them up, they get sticky.
Oh, this is so cute. These are my favourites so far. I ripped it by squishing it. I kept on like, ooh, and then I ripped it by accident. These are my favourites. They're both translucent and one's blue. Let's look at the last one. Ooh, it's pink. Here it is. It's pink and I love, oh, it's a pig. It's a pig. It's got a little pig nose. It's a piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy.
John and Alex would like that one, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
And it's got a little piggy tail as well.
Oh, so cute.
Little piggy tail, little piggy face.
We're going to give these away in our next giveaway video. Yeah, I love you, fans.
That'd be our 100,000 subscriber video, won't it?
Yeah, Dad. I'm going to send some of these away to you. Here you go. This is fun to play with these little squishies. They're so fun. Squish, squish. It was interesting seeing what these were. These were fun to play with. You should get them if you want to. And they're really fun to squish with. Squish, squish, squish. There's a unicorn one.
Oh wow, let's get that unicorn one, don't we?
Yeah, we need to get more. Next time, Daddy, shall we get some more, but not 3, but like 10 or something?
There's star ones as well.
Wait, can I see, please? Where are the star ones? There. We got that one there. And it's a rare.
Oh, we got a rare.
Yeah, we got a rare. It's in the corner there.
Oh yeah.
We got that one. I like the design of these. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Bye, fans. I love you. Peace out. Bye. Moj, moj.
Moj Moj.
Moj, moj.
It's like emoji without the E on the front, isn't it?
Moj, moj. Moj, moj.
Come on then, should we go? Let's go. Oh, broke the ceiling.
I got Moj Moj here. And I'm going to show you what they are. Shall we open them? Yeah. I don't know if they're Moj Moj or Moj Moj.